It's turkey time, and we're working with turkey brine, but we're not doing a turkey. We're making a smoked pork loin right here on Backyard Bosses. It's Pit Boss, baby. You know it's going to be good. Hey, everybody. Welcome back to Backyard Bosses. I'm Brandon from BKC Cooks. Today, we're doing a whole smoked pork loin, and we're using the turkey brine kit from Pit Boss to get it done. Look, make sure you subscribe right here on YouTube to the Backyard Bosses playlist, as well as the Pit Boss YouTube channel. That way you don't miss any cooks like these. We got a bunch of great folks doing some amazing cooks for y'all. You don't want to miss them. So again, we're doing a whole smoked pork loin. Because guess what, man? Sometimes turkey gets a little boring. Sometimes you have folks over and they don't dig turkey. They want something different. This turkey brine kit is going to be the perfect way to get your pork loin done. These flavors translate super, super great to pork. All of the herbs, all the savory items, the peppercorns, everything is going to be a perfect match for that pork loin. So we're going to brine this thing overnight. I'm going to come back the next day, get it set up to smoke. We'll smoke it. We'll rest it. We'll slice it. We'll test it. Let's go, man. I'm ready. Are you ready? I'm ready. Let's do it. All right, so we have our whole pork loin. This was about 8 pounds, but this is a very lean piece of meat. I don't want to trim any fat off, but we do have to get the silver skin off. That silver skin will not render. It's not going anywhere. It's tough, it's chewy, and it's just unpleasant to eat. So I'm working around what little fat I do have. I want to preserve that. And the backside looks really good, so we're going to leave that as it is. We're going to brine this pork loin using our Pit Boss turkey bucket kit. So it's a really cool kit because you get, of course, the bucket to put things in, but it comes with the turkey prep kit, which is all your brine, the brining bag, all that good stuff. And you get a nice big old bag of apple pellets. These are going to be a great match to go along with that pork loin. You get a little bit of sweetness from the apple. There's some good oak in there too. So we're going to start with 4 cups of water. Then we're going to bust open our turkey prep kit. So the turkey prep kit, it has everything you need to brine the bird. It comes with a recipe card. You have the actual brining bag, which is thick and heavy. And then, of course, you have the actual turkey brine mix. So you want to add that to the pot. We want to mix this all the way together. Make sure everything is dissolved as well as it can be. Then it's going on the stove until it comes to a complete boil. After it boils for 5 minutes, remove it from the heat and add in a gallon of cold water. I'm also going to add about 8 cups of ice to get this brine cooler faster. And so once everything is ice cold, because you don't want to put hot brine on raw meat. Once it's ice cold, we're going to add our pork loin to the bag, put our brine in. Then we're going to zip this up, and I'm going to push all the air out of there. That way it can get as much contact with the meat as possible. And this is what it looks like once it's all put together in the bag. We're going to brine this for 24 hours in the fridge. Make sure you have this in the fridge or a cooler that is absolutely packed with ice because you want to keep this cold. Now, after 24 hours, this is what it looks like. I'm going to pat this dry because I already rinsed it off. And I'm going to go in with some all-purpose GSP from Pit Boss. That's garlic, salt, and pepper. I'm not going super crazy with this, y'all. Just a coating. Because remember, we got so much salt in that brine and we brined it overnight. So yeah, just enough to get a nice coating on all sides, and that's what it should look like. Off to the Navigator we go. Our smoker is up to 275. Got this beautiful pork loin. We're ready to get rocking, man. So I have my temperature probe. That's included in the Navigator 1300. You can use 2 temperature probes on this smoker. I'm going in the middle. At a little bit of an angle. I'm trying to get dead center with that thing. That's going to give me the best idea of what's done. You will still have to temp the ends because they're thicker. But I don't want to overcook this, so I'll know when this is getting close, I get to keep an eye on those ends. Now, if you have a Pit Boss that's smaller than this, you can also cut this whole loin in half and cook it in 2 pieces. And you could also do that for quicker cooking. So down we go, rocking at 275. We will check it in an hour just to see how our color is coming along, but That temperature probe is going to do all the work for us along with this Navigator 1300. I'm going to pull this loin at 140. Let it come to 145. So let's talk about that. Like I said, I'm pulling this at 140. I'm cooking to 145. The USDA says you should cook to 165. I find that is a little too dry for me, and I always find a good place to source my pork from, but safe bet, do what the government tells you. But if you like it a little less sawdusty, try a lower temperature. Or at least that's what I'm doing. I'm not saying you should do that. We've been cooking for about an hour and a half, and it's coming along really nicely. Do another temperature probe over there. And I moved it out the middle. And I just want to show you, because of the different way, the different sizes and thicknesses of this pork loin. So this is still, you can see that, like, that's still not cooked. We're temping in the 130s over here. Over here, we're also in the 130s. In the center, it's ready. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to crank up the heat. That way we get a little color on here, and we'll blast this and get it all done. So I'm going to crank up the heat to 400. And I think in about 10 minutes, this will be ready to pull. Let's take a look, y'all. As you can see, we jacked the temp up. This thing is rolling. I took some temps, and it's time to pull it. We're going to get it off of here. We're going to get it in the pan, wrap it loosely with foil, and let it rest. All right, y'all, it's time for the taste test. Got this beautiful, beautiful pork loin. It's super juicy. It's tender as can be. I mean, come on. Yes. That's what I'm talking about. Flavor all the way through. It tastes all the herbs, peppercorns. Nice little crust on the outside is not too much. Remember, don't go too crazy because we brine this all the way through, but good grief. Man, this is good. It's a great holiday alternative. It's relatively expensive, and it feeds a crowd. This is a winner. Make sure you subscribe to the Pit Boss YouTube channel. That way you can catch Backyard Bosses. Hit that playlist, man. You'll see me and a bunch of other great cooks doing some amazing things. We thank y'all for watching. We'll catch y'all next time on Backyard Bosses. Enjoy your holidays and enjoy this pork loin. We out.